Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect your Dreo Smart Humidifier with the Dreo app that's available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this particular smart humidifier, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's get it set up. First things first, we're in the Dreo app right here where we have a couple previous devices set up, but we need to get this set up. So top right hand corner, hit the plus icon, we're going to add a device. And it's going to scan and find devices nearby. And sure enough, there it is. It's the HM311S. That's going to be this one, or HM001S. So anyways, that's going to be what we have right here. We're going to select that. Now we need to start pairing. So we're going to hold this button down for a couple of seconds. We got the countdown clock on the screen, which is nice. All right, we got the beep and the Wi-Fi indicators flashing. We'll select next. Now at this screen, we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network before you proceed to make sure everything's going to work. Once you have that set up, go ahead, select the blue button that says connect. Now it's going to work on connecting to our device. All right, that didn't even take a minute. Everything's all set up and ready to go. You'll be at this screen next, where we can name it if we want, and then just select done. So we'll name it humidifier. We'll do 01 so we can keep this apart from some of the other ones. Select done, and here we go. It's been added, and now we're prompted to update the firmware. Definitely should do that while you have the prompt. Here it is, update firmware. All right, the firmware is updated. That took about 5 minutes. Select done. Current firmware version. There we go. Everything is all set and ready to go. We're now at our device where you can see some of the controls and features that we have right here from our smartphone. That's it though, set up simple and straightforward. It was quicker to set this up versus update the firmware.